Data usage of YouTube TV. Streaming content on YouTube TV consumes varying amounts of data depending on the video quality. Here's an overview. Number 1. Data consumption by video quality. Standard definition, 480p, approximately 500 megabytes per hour. High definition, 720p, approximately 1.5 gigabytes per hour. Full high definition, 1080p, approximately 3 gigabytes per hour. Ultra high definition, 4K, approximately 7 gigabytes per hour. These figures are estimates, and actual data usage can vary based on content complexity and streaming device. Number 2. Factors influencing data usage. Video quality settings. Higher resolutions consume more data. Frame rate. Content with higher frame rates, such as 60 frames per second, uses more data than standard 30 frames per second videos. Streaming device. Smart TVs and streaming devices may have different data consumption rates. Number 3. Managing data usage. To control data consumption, adjust video quality. Lower the streaming resolution on YouTube TV settings to reduce data usage. Monitor data usage. Use your device's data monitoring tools to track consumption. Utilize Wi-Fi. Prefer Wi-Fi connections over mobile data to avoid exceeding data caps. In conclusion, YouTube TV's data usage varies with streaming quality and other factors. By managing video quality settings and monitoring your data, you can control your data consumption effectively.